Let's start with a silly joke. How do you measure a snake? In inches. They don't have feet. I'll say it again. How do you measure a snake? In inches. They don't have feet. If you have a silly joke you'd like me to share, type it in the comments. Welcome, superheroes. How are you today? Good job on taking this time for yourself. I know it's not an easy thing to do on a busy day, so I hope today's guided meditation hits the spot. My name is Andrea, and thank you for watching and supporting this channel. It's not too late to hit the subscribe button. I do videos in English, Espanol, bilingüe, bilingual. Check them out and let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see next. Today's guided meditation includes a body scan. If you've never done one before, you're in for a treat. You'll find it's a great way to help your body relax. Try it. Let me know how it goes. Disclaimer: don't listen to this while driving. It's easy to nod off and fall asleep, which is fine, by the way. Now get comfortable, sit or lay down, and let's go. Whatever position you've chosen for today, sitting or laying down, take your time and make yourself comfortable. Find that position that's just right for you. As you're ready, allow your body to get heavier. Feel the heaviness spread throughout your body as you rest more and more on the surface underneath you. Allow your eyelids to get heavy on your face. Soften your temples, your jaw, your cheeks, all the way to your chin. Allow your breathing to be nice and easy. Easy inhale, easy exhale. Easy inhale, easy exhale. Easy inhale, easy exhale. Notice a gentle rhythm in your breathing. If it helps, think of your breath as an ocean wave, cresting and falling, the sounds ebbing and flowing. Easy inhale, easy exhale. Easy inhale, easy exhale. Easy inhale, easy exhale. Now we will do a body scan. Place your attention on the different parts of the body as you hear them named. Notice and listen, nothing more. The practice begins on the right side. Place your attention on your right hand, right wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, right upper chest, right waist, right hip, right upper leg, right knee, lower leg, ankle, heel, arch of the foot, the whole foot. Now the left side, left hand, left wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, left upper chest, left hip, left upper leg, left knee, lower leg, ankle, heel, arch of the foot, the whole foot. Now alternating sides, right foot, left foot, right heel, left heel, right lower leg, left lower leg, right knee, left knee, right upper leg, left upper leg, right pelvis, left pelvis, right lower back, left lower back, right upper back, left upper back, right side of the back, left side of the back, the whole back, right side of the neck, left side of the neck, the whole neck, back of the head, top of the head, right ear, left ear, right cheek, left cheek, right eye, left eye, forehead, nose, chin, right side of the face, left side of the face, right side of the head, left side of the head, the whole head, right upper chest, left upper chest, right waist, left waist, right side of the torso, left side of the torso, the whole torso, whole right leg, whole left leg, both legs, whole right arm, whole left arm, both arms, whole right side of the body, whole left side of the body, the whole body. Continue noticing your body resting, supported by the ground underneath you. Keep your breathing nice and easy. Easy inhale, easy exhale, easy inhale, easy exhale, easy inhale, easy exhale. Throughout the ups and downs of life, remember, you are enough. You are enough. You are enough. Allow these words to sink deep inside of you. I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. If you'd like, repeat them to yourself 3 times. Rest like this for as long as you like. When ready, take a moment to welcome yourself in the space you're in. Notice sounds, colors, the feel of the air on your skin. You have all the time in the world. Take your time. Do this meditation as often and as many times as you like. Upon waking, before bed, for a quick break. We all know even superheroes need to take a break every now and then. Keep up the good work, superheroes. Keep fighting those battles and slaying those zombies. And don't forget to spend time with your loved ones. Take good care. Until next time. Ciao.